the holiday season. Shout outs to Jesus. Welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh, Nika, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat. Today I'm giving you a makeup video. I'm so happy. It's holiday time, right? People are gonna be calling you up last minute. Hey, you wanna come for my Christmas party? Hey, you wanna come for the work Christmas party? Hey, this. Hey, da. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh, what kind of makeup look am I going to do that is going to be easy but still glamorous and slay? That's what Nika is going to teach you today. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this cute, pretty, awesome holiday look, then keep on watching. I am here to film this video for you. Duh, I'm literally here. So I guess you already know. Guys, normally I'll just come here with foundation face and everything done. And you guys be like, oh my gosh, Nix, we didn't see what you did. How we supposed to follow if we didn't see what you did? So I'm like, you know what? I want to show you what I'm doing. By showing you my foundations that you already know I'll be using. Ooh, Nicki me nah. Let's go. Bruh. Set in my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm using the same eyebrow thingy that I use, which is the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. Boom! Let's see how did Nix get this eyeshadow look for the holiday. It was very easy. Hello, I'm Nix. I'm the teacher for the eyeshadow today. First thing you need to do is to prime your eyelid with a bomb ass eye primer that's not gonna move. It's the Boom Younger Beauty Assurance Eyeshadow Primer. I actually noticed that before I used to add too much. You don't need that much. Take a nice brush, scoop it right off. That tiny that I literally just took goes a long way. Can you see? See how much product that tiny thing that I just took. So this primer will last you for this year, next year, the year next, and the next year, yes, next year, next till the years. This eyeshadow primer is a perfect gift for somebody who loves makeup. They won't regret it. They will not. We're looking good. We're looking good. This orange reddy shade is what's gonna come through next. Next thing I'm adding over that is this beautiful purpley shade. I'm just gonna take a nice pointy brush and just apply it sparingly to the pincation on the eyelation. And we're done. Au revoir. See you at the Christmas party. I'm going in with the eyeliner. So now that I've drawn the eyeliner, obviously, the next thing to do is to feature my baby. When I got you, honey, don't you cry, don't you cry. It's time to use you to my own benefit, just like every African parent. Is what I'm gonna apply to my inner tear duct area. I love this palette so much. Why? Because the pigmentation is off the chain. Although the downside is that it only has shimmer shades. So I'm going in with the pearl shade, and I'm just going to take a bit of it and just drag it sparingly into the middle area. Not too much though, don't overdo it, just sparingly. You don't need, we really don't want the shade to get over the eyelid. We want this area to still be free to give a mesmerizing finish to the eye. If everywhere is gold, it just looks like every cut craze out there. Boom, 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 boom. We almost finished looking slayed with the eyes, with the eyes, with the eyes. Remember the pink shade that I used to do the saturation of the top eyeshadow? Yes, that's the shade I would be adding to the bottom eyes right now. So I'm not taking it to the front. I'm literally just focusing it at the end there. We look bum, right? I know. I even know too much. I know too much. Going in with a flat brush, I'm applying the purple that I also used to add the saturation to the top eyelidation, using that to blend out the black a little bit. We is not done. We is not done. I'm going in with black eyeshadow. I'm just using that to smoke out the black eyeliner even more. Black but not the least. I mean last but not the black. I mean least but not the... Okay, I'm done. The best part is to go in. It's a black shimmer color called Eclipse. And I'm literally just tapping it on so you can see a bit of shimmer. We're done with the bottom eye. We ain't done with the bottom eye. That's a lie. We ain't done yet. Stop lying. We ain't done yet. Why? Cause I need to apply the not duct area on the bottom of the eye. On the bottom of the eye. Sign me, Beyonce. Sign me. I'm just taking that pearl shade and I'm just going to use that to highlight. Just basically highlight a little bit more of the under tear duct eyeliner area. Younger Beauty Candid Glow highlighter. I'm using the shade Yo. I'm just gonna take a bit. I like using a smaller brush because it gives me more control. If you use a bigger brush, that's your own story to write. Figure out where the highest point of my cheekbone is, and then I pat, and then I start going in circular motions. So most of the light will stay on this area here. I'm going in with the shade O'Shea from Younger Beauty, and I'm going to add that highlighter. It's way lighter than the Yoa, but I'm just going to use her to just increase my glowation. Do you see what we're dealing with? Do you see what we're dealing with? I go in with my setting spray. I use that to blend it in. And then I fan away. I fan away. I fan my whole face away. Ooh, so black. I'm using this Omaricode Beauty orange lipstick. Y'all are probably like, whoa, Nix, you have pink and black on your eyes. Why are you using orange? Even me, I don't know. But I want to try it, so. It's not so bad, actually. It's good. But the color is not bad. I'm really impressed with how this makeup came out. Let me go tie my hair, wear my earrings, come back to you guys looking a whole differently nicer. Oh my god, English. Hi guys, and the other guys who are not hi, welcome back again. I'm ready, I'm here, I'm finished, I'm leaning, I'm going, I'm doing the most. So this is the finished look. I feel like we look bomb, don't we? Don't we? We look better than everybody there. I love how this look is simple, it's easy, it's just get me to the party, allow me slay everybody, murder on the dance floor, leave that dripping in everybody's blood. I'm just happy for the holiday, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.